It's time for another question with
Curiosity Box.
Fish don't have vocal cords, but they do make noise. One way is by rubbing the bones near their fins together, which produces a sound like crickets make when they rub their legs together. Now this fish— Whoa, hey, what are you doing? Give me my fish back! No! Oh, big fish! Sorry, gang. As I was saying, another way is by using a special muscle to drum on their swim bladder, which is an air-filled sac that helps them stay afloat. Sometimes when they expel air from their air bladder, it can be mistaken for a fart. Well, gang, that's all I have for you today. Stay tuned for more Stories That Soar!